So siguro yung iba sa inyo interesado kung magkano ba ang kinikita ng truck driver dito sa Amerika. Pero syempre iba-iba siya. So i-share namin kung magkano ba yung kinikita ni Mr. bilang truck driver dito. So love, how much do you make as a truck driver here in the United States?
This year, I grossed
Yung work ni Mr. Ano siya, nag-work siya. How many days do you work, love? Hello everyone! Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Say happy Monday! So, andito kami ngayon sa loob ng truck ni Mr. Iniintay namin yung roadside service. Love, what is roadside service?
we're waiting for new tires, supposedly, hopefully, if they don't give me a hard time. If they give me a hard time, it's going to be a whole ordeal because I'm not going to drive on these tires and then I got to fight them to get new tires. Hopefully they will not make me fight them. I'm sick of fighting them about tires, but it happens. And hopefully they just put new tires and everything will be fine and good.
Ano? Si Zayda ang likod kung anong mga sinisipa. So, ipakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng loob ng what do you call this kind of a sleeper truck?
Yeah.
Sleeper
cab.
Sleeper cab ni Mr. Takot si Zayda doon sa sa may bed ni Mr. Doon sa likod, umiiyak siya. First time niya kasi na pumasok dito. Pumasok na pala siya dito dati pero maliit pa siya. So ito yung harapan ng sasakyan ni Mr. or sleeper cab niya. Ito yung passenger seat, which is magulo. Andyan yung kanyang mga kung ano-ano dyan. Tapos dito yung driver seat. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Yan camera daw yan, sabi ni Mr. Ayang may blue na ilaw. Na buy-buisit dyan si Mr. sa camera na yun. Tapos andito kami ngayon ni Zayda sa may bed. Dito natutulog si Mr. Lumabas lang siya kasi kinakausap siya ng aking father-in-law. So, ayan si Zayda. Nag-snack siya. Buti tumigil na siya sa kanyang pag-iyak. Ito yung higaan ni Mr. So, pasensya na kayo. Magulo talaga yan. Malaki yung bed niya. Kasya kami dito kung siguro, dalawa. Si Zayda pwede na rin kasi maliit naman ako eh. Pero syempre, bawal ang bata pagka nagbabiyahe si Mr. Pumasok lang kami dito kasi hindi naman siya umaandar. Snack sigaw. Ayan. Ano yan? Parang pwede mo siyang i-open. Bintana. Ayan yung kanyang bed. Tapos meron ditong parang closet, cabinet. Tapos ayan din. Mga storage area. Marami siyang storage area. Ayan na si Mr. Tapos ayan pa. Another storage. Tapos ito ang kanyang cooler. Diyan niya nilalagay yung mga pagkain. Ayan na si Mr. Ha?
We're just gonna do the thing later. But okay, so this is a tire gauge, and you stick it in the groove, and it shows you if it's red, it's bad. But these are important tires, so they can only go to yellow, and it's 4/32 of an inch, and the tread is wavy. So sometimes it's 4/32, sometimes it's 3/32, sometimes it's 6 or 7/32. These people are lazy. They don't want to do their job, so they'll measure where it's okay. They'll say, oh, it's okay. And then I measure where it's bad, and I say, no, it's bad. But at this point, I'm not going to argue with these people. If they want to give me a hard time, then I'm just going to not drive the truck because it's illegal. The Department of Transportation officer will just measure where it's bad and say, no, it's bad, which is what I'm going to do. And then the lazy tire guy will say, no, it's great. It's totally fine. I'm so sick of these people. Really, but I think this one's gonna go okay, hopefully.
So, love, how is it living inside the truck?
There's no toilet. Other than that, it's fine. The only thing that bothers me is that there's no toilet. And there kind of is a toilet for emergencies, but I don't like to use it because it's not enjoyable.
So it's challenging.
The toilet.
Do you like
is
it?
the biggest-
Do you like it living inside the truck?
Do I like living inside of the truck? I don't know. I try not to live here. I work here, but sleeping is part of my job. So I don't think of it as living. I think of it as work. Little bites, small.
So siguro yung iba sa inyo interesado kung magkano ba ang kinikita ng truck driver dito sa Amerika. Pero syempre iba-iba siya. So i-share namin kung magkano ba yung kinikita ni Mr. bilang truck driver dito. So love, how much do you make as a truck driver here in the United States?
This year, I grossed $96,000 probably.
It can be more than that.
Probably maybe a little less, maybe a little more. It should be exactly 96,000.
How about monthly? Around 8,000.
8,000 monthly, I guess, is 96 divided by 12 is probably 8. So
But during your previous accounts with JB Hunt, it's lesser, right?
it's less, but I'm on a good account now. I'm making about the most that you can really hope for. You cannot really hope to make. Most truck driving job pay like $70,000 a year. So I'm doing $96,000 a year in a truck driving job is very good. But that's because I'm good at it. Okay, the tire guy's here. You guys get in the back. Take the bait.
So ayun ang kinikita ni Mr. Oh, you tell them.
You have to come here so they can see how beautiful it
Gusto
is.
ipakita ni Mr. yung bago niyang tire.
This is like the best thing that happens to truck drivers is when they get new steer tires. They're so beautiful. You got these fuzzies on them and you touch them, they're fuzzy. And you put your finger in there like it's a beautiful lady.
Whatever. So ayan, tuwang-tuwa siya at napalitan na ang kanyang tires. Yung dalawa. Ayan. Is this the other one?
Yeah.
Yan. So dalawa siya. So punta kami ngayon sa aking
Oh, he left his chuck. I don't know about to drive over it.
sa aking mga in-laws kasi ngayon ang aming late Thanksgiving celebration. Tapos sa mga interesado ring malaman yung work ni Mr. Nag-work siya. How many days do you work, love? 3 to 4 days a week?
But I do like 5 or 6 days of work in 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, because that's 12 hours. Is it 12 hours a day?
It's like 13.
13 hours a day, pero yan, 3 to 4 days a week. So, ganoon ang trabaho ni Mr. bilang truck driver. Pero kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, iba-iba naman ang mga truck driver dito sa US. I think sa Canada, halos sa same lang sila. Pero, meron kasing over the road, regional, tapos, ewan ko yung isa, local, mga ganyan. So, iba-iba rin yung kita nila. Andito pala kami ngayon sa White House. Hindi na dito nag-stay yung tito ni Mr. Of course it's gonna take up space, but I think it's good for Zeta. So ayan, medyo inayos nila dito sa White House.
Her sister already ruined. And it's all dirty. You're gonna have to clean it.
Yeah. Baby, don't touch that. Baby. No. Go over there. Go to Dada. Oh, nasabit ka na naman dyan. Oh, go check your table and chair. Saan ka pupunta? Oh no! What? Likod ni Zayda eh. gitara. Ang dami. Yan. Si Mr. marunong din siya mag-play ng guitar. Parehas sila ng aking father-in-law.